A slight chance of thunderstorms. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Arkansas State Police. An Amber Alert has been issued for Emmett J. Charnett and Addison Townsend. Emmett is a white male born on November 26, 2013. He is 4 feet 6 inches tall and weighs 100 pounds. He has brown hair and brown eyes. Addison is a white female born on August 15, 2008. She is 5 feet 4 inches tall and weighs 120 pounds. She has brown hair and brown eyes. They went missing on September 23, 2021 at 10:40 a.m. They were last seen in Malvern, which is in Hot Spring County. They may be traveling with Nicole Charnett, a 33-year-old white female. The suspect is 5'6" inches tall with brown hair and brown eyes. They may be traveling in a black 2008 Mercury Milan with Arkansas, license plate 473ZPJ. If located, please call the Malvern Police Department at 501-332-3636.